जम्मू आ गए, दिल्ली आ गए, अलग अलग जगह पे आ गए, और अभी सरकार उनको कह रही है कि फिर से हम
मेरी बात समझ गए क्या सबके साथ मर्डर हो जाता है क्या सारी बहुएं जला के मार दी जाती
of Muhammad Ameen. Muhammad Ameen versus Vakeel Ahmad. Vakeel Ahmad, Supreme Court. In this case, the Supreme Court had said that even where there is a family arrangement or settlement among the members of the family, but if one of the participant of that arrangement happens to be a minor, then this family settlement will have no effect. It will be non-est in the eyes of law, because a minor in the nature of things is not capable of entering into a contract. Family settlement, by whatever name you may call it, is always a contract, and contract presupposes competency of parties in order for it to materialize. If minor is a participant of the family settlement, then he cannot be a party to the family settlement unless he has been acting through a guardian appointed for the purpose. Right?
Subscribe for more content.